In the case of elements located in close proximity on a plan view or schematic view, a common problem until now was the need to manually separate the overlapping element labels. The new function allows you to quickly and automatically organize labels. After selecting the labels and calling the context menu, you can choose one of the many available label alignment options. After organizing the labels, it is possible to further move the entire selected group to the selected location. Labels, as well as elements of the designed installations, for example radiators, receivers or sources, can now be precisely moved vertically or horizontally using the arrows on the keyboard. The Alt plus Shift plus arrow button combination moves the element in the given direction by the minimum unit visible in the horizontal or vertical view ruler. Keyboard combination, Alt plus arrow moves the element more precisely, by 0.1 of the minimum view measurement unit.